Good night, everyone. Come with me. My vlog for night. Good night, everyone. What's up, buddy? Okay. Um. Thank you for you guys, and let's talk. Let's talk more for night. What are you mean about my face today? Little smile. Today I have more activity and I'm so tired. I need to sleep. I can sleep if I'm not making a vlog. So this is my vlog for today, and I want to tell you story about today. Random story for today. Today I have a story about my activity at campus Cylinder Institute. And we just in, instruction for new student because they wanna join, and I just stand at join communicate, and I just instruction for ZR and going write about the um data, best data. You know that more so many people go to my campus for join. Some student join as English student, but no more. Maybe tomorrow more again. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Today we just have middle test, but we middle test and um always stand by at to introduction ZR. I'm really so excited because my friend excited too. That's why I feel like so excited. Um, we really like to this experience for learn. Well, guys, my voice still not well, not good. Yeah, I'm so sorry. We learn more about this experience, and our drama is coming. I'm so sleepy here. What to say again? We stand by. We stand by. Start from 9 o'clock until 9 in the morning until 3 afternoon p.m. o'clock. Yeah. So long, right? Because we have so many students. We just waiting until close at 3 p.m. And tomorrow maybe more again to join. Tunandoy. I'm so enthusiastic when my lecturer choose me. Sorry guys, I just flew here, but it's okay to make a vlog. Yo, my friends so really tired about everything. Actually, when I sick, I'm more excited sometimes. Maybe my energy is need for rest. Yeah, that's why I feel like this. But actually, I'm so funny, so enjoy about everything. Yeah, don't worry, guys. I'm so more good here. Maybe in front of we have so many agenda again. After this agenda, our project, our event still waiting English Student Association. But it's okay. This is the most learn for future. I'm so really happy for doing everything in English Student Association. I hope myself can improve again and more to make myself is really perfect for English. Yeah, I know. Uh, my school before my English is not bad. Even first time I'm not dream about this major or English department, but I'm really join this. I can. I'm really not expect I can doing that, doing everything in English Student Association. I'm more fight, like not for, not for fight like toxic, no. But I mean fight for learn more and have rival. Yeah, mm, because you not only perfect in the world, you have people more perfect than you are. So not like have a high pride, just humble heart. Yeah, I mean like this. Because you don't know people have a future like what. Maybe he or she have the future big than uh, your yours. That's why I say that for you guys. Don't judge about everyone project or creativity. But I'm not creativity person maybe. I'm so sorry guys, I just break for speed. And let's continue again. About this today, so more talk talk about with my friend. I'm so excited to talk, even we so busy, but my friend joined. Even my friend from from English Student Association, but we really enjoy this moment. I mean, enjoy about this moment. More talk. This is it's mean like you comfortable for a talk with other people or someone else. Because when you are like quiet and you really like introvert, more introvert, because this is you not comfortable. Yeah, this is the one my reason to being quiet. Do you don't know that? I'm so really quiet person because if someone not ask me for talking with they are maybe I'm not want to uh like in in introduce my voice. Yeah, I mean introduce my voice. I don't want, but I really find someone like wow so humble. That's why I'm really like this. I'm so sorry guys. I'm more yapping for this night because I don't want you bored. I'm more sleepy here, but I try to not sleep because my assignment is not done today. I not like prepare for my this blog. I just like this humble, more humble. Not prefer as you are have a pride so really high. Don't like this. I'm so sleepy. I don't want to say again. I hope you know. I hope you understand. Even you not understand, but I have. I hope you will understand to me. I hope you okay. You know you. Yeah, you are. I don't think about my blog before because I not as a vlogger. I'm not have dream as a vlogger or YouTuber. No. Hmm. I'm so sorry, but I just when I have some video in my gallery, just like I just healing. What the hell healing? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry because um I'm so sleepy. That's why I don't know. I speak and just really like reflect in Indonesia. Saya reflect get and yeah, I feel like this. So more sleepy. That's why I feel like this. Sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, not sleep again. Not sleep again. I try. Mhm. Before um my video is over. Yeah. want to say for you guys, thank you. Okay, thank you for stay tuned this video. Even this is more annoying or bored or something else, I'm so sorry. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, don't judge me. Okay, bye bye. Good night.